So hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. As this is our first video on this channel, so we are going with an unboxing of my Redmi Note 10, which I have purchased pretty damn earlier, but due to some reasons I am not able to upload this video. Right now I am uploading it, but soon after this video you will be going to see a detailed long-term review and user experience, what I like about this device and what I don't like about this device. I basically bought it because of the MIUI 12.5 update that MI told us earlier that it's going to be a game changer, because in that update they are going to allow us to delete some of the bloatware or junkware installed on this device. So now let's take out this device out of the box. Now taking it out of this box, and it's in pearl white color, as you will see right next. Now there are basic things like the charger and the data cable, and it's a type C cable. Obviously it's a 2021 smartphone, but I am uploading this video a bit late, that's why. But right now most of the devices are with type C cable, and this is a 33-volt power brick. Now let's put everything aside and focus on the remaining accessories. And there's SIM tray tool which is required to put, and there is some instructions and paperwork. Let's not focus on these things. And there's a clear TPU case, and it's a decent quality case, I thought. So let's put it back inside its protective case film. It's not going easily. Yeah, let's put it back, because generally I don't use TPU cases with my smartphones, because I'd like to use it to feel it. And there's beautiful gorgeous pearl white color. Let's remove the protective film and take it out. Now it's fit very snugly and it looks very beautiful coming out. Yeah, it's damn beautiful. Look at that gorgeous 6.4-inch display. It's an AMOLED display. Yeah, it's pretty damn looking. It's very slim also and fits snugly into my hands. Yeah, the fit is very snug. That's the thing I like. Now putting it up. As it boots up, let's keep these things aside for a minute so that you can focus on the smartphone. After putting all these things aside, you see MIUI logo, and it's an AMOLED display, as you have noticed by now, because all the pixels are dead black. It's pretty damn bright display. I guess it's around 800 to 900 nits or like so. Am I it? So let me set this device up, and I will catch you in the next video where I will tell you the detailed user experience of this device. Thanks a lot guys, enjoy and be safe. Have a nice day and Happy New Year. Catch you guys later. Bye bye.